Ridership data is essential for understanding public transport usage. It helps understand actual demand, allowing us to prevent issues like underused or overcrowded services. Let's assume you have raw ridership data representing origin-destination relations between various neighborhoods. This data can be collected from multiple sources, such as check-in, check-out ticket systems, survey data, or predictive models. After importing origin-destination data into PTV Lines, you can visualize how many passengers want to travel between neighborhoods. This helps us identify key corridors with the highest demand. Having hourly origin-destination data for the entire week, you can easily allocate the time-dependent demand matrices. Let's explore how PTV Lines assigns passengers to services based on your public transport supply. Each neighborhood, referred to as a zone, connects to all stops within its boundary or to those overlapping with their catchment areas. This approach ensures that passengers in each zone are directed to the most appropriate stops to begin their journeys. Passenger distribution across the public transport network depends on the availability and quality of services. Key factors influencing this include the travel time and number of transfers between their starting point and destination. Walking times and waiting times for transfers are given extra weight to reflect the effort and inconveniency involved. PTV Lines calculates passenger kilometers or miles for each line, offering a more accurate measure of usage than just counting passengers. This metric captures the total distance traveled by all passengers and helps identify popular routes and guides service planning and resource allocation. Service kilometers or miles indicate the total distance operated by transport services, reflecting service availability and costs. On the other hand, passenger kilometers or miles measure the total distance traveled by passengers, revealing the usage. By analyzing these metrics together, we can identify how effectively routes are utilized. A high ratio of passenger to service kilometers suggests good usage, while a low ratio indicates potential inefficiencies. This evaluation informs strategic decisions for service improvements and better resource allocation. Discover more in a free demo of PTV Lines.